Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick look at putting on these diamond shingles. So here's something I just want to point out. At this corner of this window, we're using these shingles as siding. They're designed for roofing. So right here, you can see that the next shingle, which is this shape, is going to have this corner cut out of it, like that. So it's actually doable, but a little bit complicated to get the angles and to get each one to be perfect. And just while I'm at it, there's a little, like, you see there's like a little chink right there, like a little place where the fold is. You want to cover that, and I just wanted to point out I haven't. Like this, you want to cover it like that, and then a nice way for them to fall is like this. So you see the little triangle, and then these come together. There's a sort of a magic spot. These are a little bit too far apart, where these two touch, right here. That you want that to touch right there. And then usually the next one slips on and falls at such a place that these two are covered. So maybe you'll decide to do it because it looks pretty cool. We chose aluminum. They come in copper also. There you go.